Hello students, today I have come with a new tag, that is order list and unordered list tags. In your course you need listing tags. There are two types of listing tag, that is order and unorder. Definition list tag also is there, but it is not come under your course. So today let us start how to do order list and unordered list. Order list, the list that is numbered, or you can say that in systematic way when we prepare a list, that is called order list. For order list we used OL tag, and for unordered list we use UL tag. OL and UL tag will be the starting tag, but to write a list or prepare a list we need LI tag. LI tag will define individual list. So here I have opened Notepad today. I will start the tags, but before that little bit explanation I shall give you. Order list can be numbered or maybe alphabetical order or a Arabic numbers list, as you are doing at home. Same way, sometimes we may need to start from middle, sometimes we need to start from 1 or maybe from C. So for that you have got attributes. To prepare what number will appear on your list, that is by using type attribute, and from which point it will start, whether it will start from A or 1 or 2 or 4. These all will be defined by using type attribute of order list. Another way of preparing list is unordered list. Unordered list where number or systematic list is not necessary. So at that time we use UL along with the attribute or along with the another tag, that is LI. UL attribute, UL tag also have got one attribute, that is type, but here this type is not used for defining number type, but here we are going to define which shape or which symbol or a bullet will be used in front of the list. That's all. That is how we can use order list and unordered list. The greater explanation is there in your book, page numbers 57 and 58. You please see, you will understand. Now I shall do in a notepad. Previous things I will copy because I have already written the basic text. So here I need to repeat it again and again. Just starting with HTML tag, these all things remain like that. Then last time I have showed you font tag and Mercurial tag. Now I'll start with OL tag. So OL tag to start, I have to write OL. Just start with OL. Then after that, capital letter, small letter is not a matter because HTML is not a case sensitive language. So OL. Then after that I shall start LI. LI is for list item. So LI. Suppose we are listing the planets. So starting with Mercury. LI close. LI is a container tag, so LI have to close. After closing LI, next suppose which planet we are writing, Venus. LI close. Same way again another we are going to add, which is our out. So that is how you can do it. Just I am showing as an example. So OL, then after that OL tag have to be closed. Then you have to save it. Save as OL. Any file name you can give. I'm getting a OL text OL. I'm giving OL.html. Just minimize it. After that, go to the file, open it. Which browser is available in your computer? You just open it. See the output. Output did not come because color of the screen is black. I will put it red. The text color and background color became same. That's why output has not come. This is refresh. You can see the list. By default 1, 2, 3. If I want to change the list type, so I can use change py type. Suppose A. When you type A, then it will change into A, B, C, D. Or if you want a Roman number, suppose I, so you just file you go, save you do, and click on I. So you can see the change. Sometimes we need to start it from middle. That means suppose we are starting from serial number 4. So we have to write the attribute start. Then here we have to give numeric value. Suppose from 4. Even if it is a Arabic number, but we have to give 4. Suppose numbers 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start 4. Save. Refresh. So number 4 it is starting. Same way. Maybe background color may disturb you, so I am removing this background color. Again, one more time I am showing you the same thing. This time I am changing the type A. Suppose I am making it A and start 4. That means it should start from D. So refresh. So you can see D, E, F. So this is how you can define the starting point for in order list. For unordered list, just we need to change here. You have to make it UL, and this start and type afterwards we will do remove it, and just ending also you make it UL. Now let us see what changes take place. File save, refresh. You can see small dot has appeared, small dot has appeared. So this is by default. It is called disk. So I can change the type, just TYP type. Type. Then after that, just you can give this to by default only. You can use circle. After that, file save. When go there, this is circle. When there is no solid color, it is called circle. Then after that, again another this is there. It is another shape, that is square. SQUARE. Square you give, and then file save. See the output. You can see that it has appeared as square. So this is how you can do order list and unordered list. In your book there are so many examples. You can try it and just do it. If you find any problem, you can tell me. I can help you in there. There are so many practice time in your book, so you can practice it. Next audio video class I shall put you table tech. So prepare for that. Thank you.